Yeah, we're gonna pull some bearings, man. We're gonna throw these cases up on this hot plate. We're gonna get them pretty hot and tap out a couple bearings and use the inner bearing puller
to get the inner one
blind
out.
bearing puller to get these bearings out. We're gonna have to heat up this dowel to get it out. Mr. Grant's gonna go through it and polish this thing up for us. We've pulled this cover off. We'll pull this seal out. We'll pull the water pump bearings out, and we'll do the how to make these pretty again somehow.
Was that Cummins back then?
I don't know. I think so.
Or Hinston?
I think so. Yeah, either Henson or one of those guys. Power valve. That was all full of crud and carbon. A lot better now. Running out of workroom here. Gonna get our go see Mitch in the next day or two. Go rummage through his cool selection of stuff, and then Ron Henson. We're going to use Henson clutches, especially with producing more power. Always want the best in the bike. And then we've actually had people offering to help us out with bolts and nuts and plastics, and even, you know, as far as getting the frame powder coated. One of our buddies is going to be dropping it off as well. So we're coming along, we're moving along, and I hope it turns out as nice as I think it will.